So I'm Alain Gilles. I'm one of the designers for Greenmood, which is, I would say, Belgium and American company, right? They play with naturally preserved plants. So they went from creating green walls, right, to creating real products. Products basically more like furniture if you want, stuff that you can send in a packet that you can use to enhance the quality of an interior, to enhance the life of the people, to bring plants in, and also to modulate the noise, because it attracts a lot of noise. Greenmood, since I'm not from Greenmood, but Greenmood basically does a lot of custom green walls, but what they call their design collection, what you may see here, those are like fixed products if you want, they're defined. Sometimes they can be adapted, but that's not the full logic. I think people mostly go for the green ones. Play with different settings in greens. The idea for us is also to show possibilities. These are tools for architects. So when we show a color that's a bit more pinkish, it's all natural, still natural, huh? But it's to say, you can go far, you can go as far as you want, and you can play with these graphics, or you can play with other graphics, for instance. Definitely. The idea with all this line behind me, I know some of the other products was hanging over there, it's really to get it off the wall, basically. And to be able to use it, there are also other products that we don't see here, like partitions, movable partitions, really lightweight stuff, where you have a kind of a green wall if you want on it. But yeah, it's really to give other types of tools to people. It's maintenance free. I think that's the most important, because a lot of people, they think they understand, or they think that, I've heard stuff like, oh yeah, I know you don't have to put water in, right? You don't have to water it.
Yeah.
But because it takes actually the water from the humidity of the air, and like, actually it doesn't even need to. So it's naturally preserved. So actually technically it's mummified, if you want. Actually, it doesn't dry up, but it doesn't really take also the humidity. But when you touch, if it's soft and in a way humid and feels extremely lively, that means that actually the air in the room is actually normally has the right humidity. If it becomes too dry, then it can become brittle, and in that case, it actually means that you're lacking some humidity, that you should do something about it. It's not too good actually. It might eventually damage the plant. Welcome. Thank you very much.